What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This may not look too appetizing because I've moved everything around in this bowl, but at one point in time it was garnished and it looked very appetizing. I don't know why I waited until after I started eating it to record a video, but it is what it is. This is something that I eat all the time. This is a homemade poke tuna bowl. This is raw tuna that I make into spicy tuna with sriracha and some quality mayonnaise, a tiny little bit of sesame oil, although I don't use it all the time. It really does add a little bit of extra flavor, but we do know that most seed oils aren't very good for you, so it is what it is. I've got some avocado, some sesame seeds, black and white. This is sushi rice that I make with rice vinegar and a little bit of sugar. I got some homegrown peppers here, some homemade sambal. What else is on here? Got some rice with a little bit of dehydrated onion in there as well. So this is how I eat. I eat a lot of raw fish. I don't eat as much raw meat anymore in pertaining to land animals. I do, however, eat raw beef liver, but this is more often than not how I'm eating. I eat a lot of raw seafood, oysters, salmon, tuna, you name it. So these bowls are remarkably cheap and easy to make. If you were to buy this at a sushi restaurant, it'd be remarkably expensive. So again, guys, this is how I eat often. It does me very well. Peace be with you.